and welcome to another video. First of all, I just want to apologize for the audio. My normal microphone's batteries are dead and I haven't had time to go to the store to get new batteries for it. So I'm using my on-camera mic, which is not the best quality there is. Anyway, as the title suggests, in today's video I want to talk about memory installation. Now, if I go in Facebook Marketplace or on Gumtree and I look at sales posts, a lot of times you see the memory is installed wrong. Now, this should be something that everybody should know already, but there's a lot of new people getting into computer building. So let's just clarify this. I'm going to pull up this picture here from a corner and let's have a look at it. Now, most motherboards, it's got markings on it on where you should install the RAM. Now, if yours don't, let's just go through this then. So, general rule will be from your CPU socket, you'll skip the first one. The second one will be your first place where you'll put your first DIMM in. You'll skip the third one, and the fourth one will be your second one. Now, your first one will be your third one, and your fourth one will be, well, your fourth one, where you put your fourth DIMM in. Now, let's go and talk about single channel and dual channel memory. Now, single channel memory is you got one stick of memory in, which will be in your second slot. This will run in single channel mode. Now, if you got another DIMM into your fourth slot, that will be dual channel memory. Now, let's talk about another one, which is called flex mode. A lot of you would not have heard of it. Now, flex mode is dual channel and single channel memory together. Now, this is what happens is if your first memory stick is, let's say, an 8 gig DIMM, and your second one's a 4 gig DIMM. Now, the first 4 gig of the first DIMM and your second DIMM will run in dual channel mode. And the other 4 gig that's left will run in single channel mode. This is what's called flex mode. So, it will always be a recommendation to get 2 of the same size DIMMs for your PC build, as a dual channel mode gives better performance on your system, a better bandwidth to run through your system. Now, there's triple channel memory as well, which we're not going to talk about this memory. We're not going to talk about it in this video because I just want to do basic consumer motherboards, which everybody is buying out there. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.